Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a ClickUp form to Google by connecting your Google form responses directly to ClickUp tasks. Whether you're collecting registrations, feedback, surveys, or any type of information through Google Forms, or you simply want all your responses to automatically appear inside ClickUp without doing manual copy-paste, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or email, whatever is easiest for you. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, look for the Templates section on the left side. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, search for the template called Create a ClickUp Task from New Google Form Responses. Click on it, and Make will load everything you need automatically. This template connects Google Forms with ClickUp so that every time someone submits a form, a brand new task is instantly created. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be really user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. When the template opens, and Make will ask you to connect your Google account and your ClickUp Workspace. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're already logged into both Google and ClickUp in your browser, and be sure you have permission to access the ClickUp list where tasks will be created. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent connection issues. Once your accounts are connected, select your ClickUp Workspace, the space, folder, and finally the list where new tasks should appear. After that, you'll see fields like task name, content, and more. This is where you map your Google Form questions to the ClickUp task fields. For example, you can map a form's name question to the task title, or map an email question to the task description. It's completely up to you. After you've finished mapping everything, click Continue. Once that's done, run the scenario once to test it. If everything is set up correctly, Make will show a confirmation message letting you know that your test worked. It's also a good idea to submit a real test response through your Google form just to double-check that the task appears in ClickUp exactly the way you want. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your workflow organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a ClickUp form to Google easily and automatically create tasks from every new form submission. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?